Network APIs have been a very hot topic in the telecoms industry for the last couple of years. At Omdia, we've been covering them, and here are some of the most exciting trends for 2026. The first trend I want to touch on, and I'm looking forward to hearing more about, is the kind of meeting of supply side and demand side. In most markets, you need about 70 to 80% coverage for a specific API before it's really attractive to developers to use for a lot of use cases. And we're starting to see this traction pick up, especially in some key markets. We're seeing enough operators get to the stage where they're ready to deploy these network APIs. They've exposed functions, and so now developers can use that on their networks. This means we'll be seeing a lot more developer uptake and some exciting solutions being built on top of telcos and telcos networks. The next trend I'm excited to see develop is the Google Firebase integration with phone number verification and other similar APIs. This was announced at Mobile World Congress 2025 by Telefonica that they will be integrating phone number verification into Google Firebase, which provides access to 3 million developers, and about 94% of the Play Store apps use Google Firebase. This gives huge reach to network APIs and will do a lot to stimulate the ecosystem. I'm quite excited to see how this plays out. We already, at the end of 2025, have seen integration in Germany and Indonesia, and in France it's coming soon. And one of the big things this does is it means that phone number verification done through Firebase will work not just on the mobile network, but also, for example, over Wi-Fi, which covers a lot more area and solves a big coverage gap. Another key trend is the maturity of quality on demand. In China, we already see some commercialized offerings and some significant revenue coming in, but elsewhere in the world, there are more regulations around net neutrality that need to be abided by. So we haven't seen as much progress being made there, but we think in 2026, more will come out around successful use cases being demonstrated, some commercial launches. One key example already is coming from Telefonica, who have some quality on demand solutions commercialized already, but we expect to see more maturity emerging around best practices, customer demands, and more development of quality on demand. Finally, we expect to see more movement up the value stack. So a lot of telcos currently offer their network APIs that can be consumed maybe per API call, and we expect more advanced solutions to come. For example, as Orange is doing with some security solutions that leverage their network APIs to help contribute to a more advanced security solution, which helps the telcos capture more of that value share. We're really excited to watch these trends develop, and we'll be covering them. So if you want to hear more about it, please get in touch.